Welcome to our Easy English Conversation Zone. Today I'm sharing real English sentences used in daily work life in Europe. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, this video is for you. Lisa, sis, let's get started. I start my work with a calm mind. I try to stay positive every day. My team is very helpful. I also try to help my team. I learn new things from my work. Learning makes me confident. I try to avoid mistakes, but if I make mistakes, I learn from them. I keep my workplace clean. Cleanliness makes work easier. I follow my supervisor's instructions. I respect everyone at work. Respect creates a good environment. I stayed focused on my tasks. I avoid unnecessary talking. I avoid wasting time. I try to finish my tasks fast, but I do not rush. I want my work to be perfect. I check my work twice. I stay calm even when work is hard. Calmness helps me solve problems. I take things step by step. I don't panic. I don't argue with anyone. I try to understand others. Understanding builds good teamwork. I am polite with everyone. Politeness makes work easy. I speak slowly and clearly. I ask questions when I am unsure. Asking questions is not a weakness. It shows responsibility. I try to improve my English every day. English helps me grow. I practice speaking with others. Practice makes me better. I learn new words daily. New words help me communicate. I try to speak without fear. I listen carefully when others speak. Listening is also an important skill. I respect others' opinions. I do not interrupt people. I wait for my turn to speak. I express my thoughts politely. I share my ideas when needed. I stay open to suggestions. I stay humble at work. Humility earns respect. I manage my time properly. Time management helps me work better. I plan my tasks early. I finish urgent work first. I do not delay important tasks. I avoid being lazy. I stay active throughout the day. I take short breaks when needed. Breaks refresh my mind. After breaks, I work with energy. I stay organized. Organization saves time. I keep my tools in place. I label my items clearly. I maintain discipline at work. Discipline helps everyone. I follow the company rules. Rules help work run smoothly. I follow safety guidelines. Safety is important for everyone. I wear safety equipment if needed. I check machines before using them. I report any problems quickly. Reporting prevents accidents. I follow hygiene rules. Hygiene keeps us healthy. I wash my hands often. I keep my clothes clean. I stay fresh throughout the day. Freshness improves work quality. I cooperate with my coworkers. Cooperation creates strong teamwork. I support new workers. I share my experience with them. I stay patient with everyone. Patience builds respect. I avoid workplace conflicts. If problems happen, I stay calm. I try to solve problems peacefully. Peaceful work helps everyone. I speak kindly. Kindness creates a friendly place. I smile when meeting others. A smile makes a big difference. I stay motivated. Motivation helps me grow. I focus on my goals. My work helps my future. I try to be better every day. Step by step, I am improving.